Thank you for joining us. In this video, we will be adding part values and information to our design. I'm going to select all of the VCC components. To select multiple components, hold down the Control key, right-click and choose Edit Properties. Select the value, right-click and edit. Add the value of VCC and click OK. Close out of the Properties window. These components have been updated with 3.3 volts. You can also assign the value during placement. Go to Place and Power. Select VCC. Before placing, right-click and choose Edit Properties. Add the value and click OK. Now the component will be placed with the correct value. Highlight a section of components. Right-click and choose Edit Properties. Make sure to select the Parts tab. Right-click and edit the value. Add the correct value and click OK. Close out of the Properties window. The parts have been updated with the value. Double-clicking on a component will also bring up the Properties window. You can also double-click on the text and change the value there. I'm going to finish adding values to my components. You can change what information is visible for a part. Select a part, select the desired field. Right-click and choose Display. Here you can select what information will or will not be displayed. Join us in the next video where we will annotate our design.